Hey, I've got a fun new puzzle I want to share with you. It's the Marusenko Sphere. Marusenko. That's fun to say. Welcome back. I'm Simon Mack. It's Rubix Tuesday. So, got a new puzzle. Oh yeah. The Marusenko Sphere. Marusenko. Marusenko. So, there are 5 different types, 5 different levels. Guess this is level 1, the easiest. They come in different colors, different patterns. But this one right here is pretty fun. So here we have the checkerboard. It can work just like a 2x2. Turn it just this way or that way. Just like a 2x2. And boom, we've got a different pattern. How fun is that? So this puzzle doesn't really have, per se, a solution. You could say solved state is when all the reds are on one side and all the whites are on the other side, but really it's just about making patterns. And there are a lot of satisfying patterns on this. So aside from just turning it like a 2x2, like this, you can also turn these little circles. So now they're not easy to turn. They're really hard to turn just with your fingers. So you kind of have to put your palm on it and then turn that around like that. Boom. There you go. Now we've got stripes or a dot in the middle. Just like that. It's fun and satisfying. Or I can turn that around and this around. Now we've got quarters. Give it a quarter turn. This looks like one of those juggling balls. Quarter turn back and a half turn. This you could call the solved state if you wanted, because all of one color's on one side, all of the other colors on the other side. But really it's about making patterns. And that's a lot of fun. So we're just going to go through a few patterns here. I'll turn it and show you what you can do with this. Most of these are very satisfying results. There's a couple of them. I'll show you one. This particular one here is not a very satisfying pattern to me, because this doesn't line up right here. Maybe that's a little bit of OCD kicking in there. But let's see. That, on the other hand, that's pretty cool. Here we've got the stripes or half pattern. This. I'd say this is fairly scrambled, so I'll try to get it back to the solved state where I have red on one side and white on the other. We'll do the corners first, and then I can do the center. Goes fairly easy. And this to go to the checkerboard. Go here. Quarter turn, and then just spin all the centers. There we go. Checkerboard. Ta-da! So, my verdict is the Marusenko Sphere. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. It's a very simple puzzle. It's pretty easy. So, not a big learning curve, but a lot of satisfaction out of just making fun patterns. It's stickerless, which is something I really like, because no stickers to peel, nobody borrowing your puzzle and peeling off the stickers to try to solve it. And it has some concepts of the 4x4 that you can learn on it and practice, like how to pair up centers. But it's an easy and fun way, and it's not as frustrating maybe as trying to pair up a 4x4. So you can learn that concept of pairing up, but still get a lot of satisfaction out of it. So this is a fun puzzle. I recommend it. Go get you one of these. Remember to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if there's a puzzle you'd like to see, or leave a comment if you have one of these. Leave a comment if you'd like to see a video on how to solve these. Just leave a comment. Good times.